Hi, Ra Saint here, and I'm gonna spoil it to you today. We're gonna do something different. Okay, this is a 1 minute chart, and market went straight from resistance to support, and we took a really quick trade, 1-2 minutes, get in, get out. It was awesome. Let me know in the comments, but most importantly, after the trade, and this might be something of great value to you. I talk about the things a successful trader needs or should have, okay, other than luck. So check it out. Let me know in the comments what you think. Enjoy the video. Good morning, everyone. Ra Saint here from Legacy Futures Trading Group for VanLife day traders. Okay, we're here trading the NASDAQ Futures June 2025 contract. Today is Monday, May 12, 2025. This is a 50-minute chart, and let's see. We have here. I'm about to probably enter a trade, so bear with me for a few. We have here a 50-minute chart, market to bearish. We have a minor entry level here, and I'm waiting for the next candle. I don't know if, okay, give me a second, let's do this. This would be a confirmation of the continuation proof. So let's see how market reacts. I would love to buy at that entry level, but market could come up and retest this resistance zone. We have a support zone way down here. Plenty of room, okay, between level and that support zone. Let's see if they hold. They should keep going. And let's see, 65, and we have 45 here. That's gonna be 20 points. So let's see. This is let's see. This is a terrible entry, by the way. Yeah, go up, 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 up. Up. Go up.
Order filled.
Okay, we are in. Like I mentioned, it's a terrible entry, but market more than probably is just gonna keep going down towards that support zone. If I wait for a better entry, I probably was gonna not gonna have the opportunity to enter the trade. That's a risk I was willing to take, okay, because market should continue to the downside. Highly probability. This is just how I see the market, okay. And we have
target filled.
Catching target filled. I felt that was what was gonna happen, and why did I knew? Not that I knew. Well, I knew that it was highly probable that the market was just gonna keep on going. That's because I understand the market, price action, market behavior. Market will behave in some very specific ways, okay. There was a possibility of market bouncing off that support minor entry level again, but I didn't really saw it, okay. We had a bounce here once, we had a push to the upside here twice, okay, to resistance zone. We have a retest of that zone, and BAP went up again. So and this is not how I analyze the market. 1, 2, 3 and go. Okay, don't do that. Don't say, well, that's what Rat does when he counts 1, 2, 3 and then on the next candle, he'll sell or he'll buy. No, that's not what this strategy is about. Okay, remember, first we need a proven strategy. Whatever the strategy it is, you develop it, you took pieces here and there and you put them together. I mostly have figured my own trading strategy but it was a really, I mean, more than 10 years just throwing money at the market. I paid for mentorships where I didn't learn anything. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna figure this out because this is what I would love to do for the rest of my life. Well, business-wise, right? So step number 2, entry exit levels. These levels are really important. I cannot state that enough. I was talking to some students yesterday and they told me, well, my students, they know my strategy. You know who you are, guys. Thank you. I love you. Anyway, yeah, and I usually, when my students say they're having trouble with the entries, what do I ask them? Are you using the entry exit levels? 90% of the time they will answer no. Well, there you go. Entry exit levels, really important. Was a game changer for me when I was trying to figure this out. I do not recommend that you figure this out for yourself because it's 98% probability you're not gonna make it. It's very frustrating. You're gonna lose a bunch of money. You're gonna lose a bunch of trades. It's just not worth it. But anyway, you do whatever you want to do. But we're here to help. Okay, market went straight to that support zone. We even have a lower target zone. I would say around here. But I'm not doing that. I'm done. Okay. I'm not saying market is gonna continue, but probably. Remember, this is my opinion and my opinion only. This is not financial advice. Let's be clear on that, but not financial advice. Ra is not saying buy here, sell there, do this, do that. No, I'm just sharing my knowledge with you guys, my trading experience, and I mean, what else? That's about it. So now let's do what we always do. Remove, and we have here, and I'm gonna go to the 1 minute chart. Text and marker, pop one trade, less than 15 minutes, but we already know it only took a few minutes. 1 minute chart. Come on. Okay, here we are. 1 minute chart. 2 minute trade. 1, 2, and done. And yeah, when you look at this huge move, wow, probably I could be saying, wow, I left a lot of points on the table, or I could have sold way up here and then take 100 points instead of whatever points we took. But remember, what's the most important thing when you are trading? That was another topic that we talked yesterday. Have a trading plan and have a trading goal. I'll make a video about trading plan, trading goal, so you can have a clearer idea of what I am talking about. If you need help, creating a trading plan or figuring a trading goal, let me know. I'll help you with that. I'm here to help. And NASDAQ sell setup. We have entry, 2 contracts at 27.65.25. Up. We have target. We have 2 contracts at 27.44. I'm gonna use the 75. There's a 1 tick difference right there, and that's fine. 75 is less, so 75, and that equals 65.45. That's 10 and a half points. We have here profit or the move, 10 and a half points up. We have total trade. We have 10 plus 10, that's 21. 10 plus 10 is 20 plus half a point times 2, that's 21 points, which equals, I thought it was more, which equals 420 bucks. No, I knew it was more. I'm like, what? There's something wrong here. You see, that's why I sometimes use my calculator. 65 minus 45 is, I'm like, this doesn't make sense. This doesn't look, that's 20 and a half points. And 20 and a half points, that's 41 points. And 41 points times 2, it's 82. 820 bucks. Why? Because, ¿por qué? Because we know market gives 20 bucks per NASDAQ point. Boom. Now we're rolling. 20 points in less than 2 minutes. And if you're saying, wow, that's like easy money, that's better than going to the ATM or than winning a scratch-off ticket. Well, I might make it look easy, okay? But it's the reason because it seems really easy for me. No stress, no. Well, I'm not gonna say it's not stressful, but it's understanding the market. First, let me do this for you guys. Check this out. To be a successful trader, first you have to have the knowledge. That's the most important thing. You have to know what you are doing, what's going on. This is not a flip a coin, buy or sell. You can buy or sell but you are not gonna be successful. You're gonna lose a lot of money. So step number 1, learn the market. If you're gonna read about it, I would say you would have to read at least 7 to 10 different books from different authors, because the market is so ever changing that now, with my experience, I have like let me see, I have like 15 trading books from different people, and I would say more than 8 of them I didn't even read them. I ordered them. I should have gone to the library or bookshop or something, because just reading the preface or maybe even the first chapter, I would say this is garbage. Hey, not that maybe the strategy worked for that author, but it was outdated. At least that's what I thought of those books that I have. I don't even have them anymore, or there must be somewhere in my moving boxes, because I really don't. I did have once that was kind of my trading Bible. It was teaching the principles of Fibonacci, and I learned. But actually, now that I know what I know, that book was obsolete as well, because it explained the Fibonacci in a really complicated way that nowadays it was just take you forever to figure out support, resistance zones, and then you would have like 10 resistance zones, 10 support. It was crazy. You would have a lot of zones, and just figuring out which one to use. It was, I would say, nowadays it's useless as well. So YouTube channels, forget about YouTube channels. You know that I tried fixing something on my boss from my YouTube channel, and that's a tutorial, mechanical tutorial of how to fix something in the boss. And I say, you know what? This guy's an expert trying to explain to me, a rookie mechanic. I know I've had sailboats before, and I know how to deal with them. But for some reason, I thought that the Lagatita motor was gonna be simpler to fix or to work with. And I said, you know what? This should be done by a professional, or a professional should teach me how to do it. And that's exactly the same with a lot of things in life that we want to learn. It takes you 10,000 hours to become an expert in something, and I would say in trading it's going to take you a way lot more. So anyway, get the knowledge, get a mentor, read books, watch videos. You know which one is the fastest way of learning to understand the market, but it's up to you. Knowledge. Second is gonna be practice. Okay, you need to practice. How many hours of flight simulation you have to take before even stepping into a real plane cabin? I don't know. I know it's a lot. But you need to practice with this. This could be this could go really, really wrong if you don't know what you're doing. So practice. And the third tool that we need to be successful, in my opinion, of course, practice and discipline. And I cannot state that enough. Discipline. You don't know how many students I have taught my trading strategy, and they fail because they do not have the discipline. Oh, well, in discipline we can add right there. Top 4. Patience. Okay, this is something we need to develop as a habit. Knowledge. That's the easy part. That's the 1, 2, 3 of a successful trading strategy. Okay, you know the market, you know the strategy. Now we have to be patient and look for a proper setup per those strategy steps. We need to practice, make sure it's successful and that you're having good results with that, and then discipline. Okay, this is the some of the main psychological mind factors we need to have in order to be successful. and that's my opinion and my opinion only, but it kind of makes sense. All right, so really awesome trade. Let's go back here. You know, I love talking about trading. We took a trade yesterday at right around 6 in the afternoon. Okay, we had a nice brunch with friends, actually it's former students. My mom is traveling, my sister had other things to do, so well, we spent a different Mother's Day here in Florida. Anyway, that's it. We're gonna get out of here. Let me know in the comments what you think about the trade, what you think about the tools that you need to understand before. I want to make these videos not only about trading, but try to give some extra information that will the information I believe that would help you to be successful. So that's it for now. I'm gonna get out of here. Congratulations to all the mothers out there. I hope you had an awesome day, and let's have an awesome trading week. Let me know in the comments. Subscribe. Want to learn my trading strategy? You want to join our trading group? Questions, comments, complaints, jokes. You know what to do. Saint Legacy Futures Trading Group. You have a great one. Ka-ching!